My name is Abhishek Mishra. How many Abhisheks are sitting here? Abhishek, lot of hands. You guys can't see, there are 500 Abhisheks. Abhishek is perhaps one of the most common name that you will find. And across states, north, south, subject. It's my occupation that is, I mean, I make a living out of decoding songs in cinema. Something which no one expects, no one is in his 12th standard writing his board exams and thinking, गाने decode करूँगा एक दिन और पैसे कमाऊँगा उससे, right? That is why I'm here for today. And I'm going to give you the philosophy behind why I started to do that. That's the speech. So I feel like there are two ways to do stuff, okay? हर चीज़. For example, if you're having food, then a very simple way to go about it is you just swallow it, right? But the other way is you chew it, you enjoy it, right? Especially when you're having it after a long haul. Similarly, let's say you're exploring a new city, you're exploring Mumbai, you can zoom past it, or you can take a brisk walk across the street, है ना? देखते देखते सब कुछ, enjoying every bit of it. Or maybe, how about you take a bath, right? वो 5 minute वाली bath, when you just go in and then you come out, नहा लिया, ठीक है, that's also a bath. But you can soak yourself into the oils, into the soap, into the bathtub, and take it easy breezy. Similarly, it's with our songs also. We might think that we are listening to our songs, but we are in fact just pressing next all the time. For example, the voice that I told you, oo bolna, ठीक है? How many of you here have heard the song Kun Faya Kun? Right. How many of you here perhaps know the meaning of Kun Faya Kun? Right? There you see the difference. Let me try and do that experiment. How many of you here love the song Chaiya Chaiya? Absolutely. But how many of you here know that it's not actually a dancing track per se? It's not where SRK shows you his dancing skills on a running train, but it's also a very Sufi song with highly deep meanings to it. No, right? But we have been listening very intently to those songs, right? How many of you here have seen Tamasha? Wow, lovely. There's a song in it called Agar Tum Saath Ho, but we don't know that it's actually a conversation between the dil and the dimag, where it says, "Behti rehti nehar nadiyan si teri nadiyan mein, main dhal jati hu teri aadaton mein." So it's the dil saying that the mind makes all these habits, and I just agree to those habits. मैंने तो तुमसे शिकायत नहीं करी, right? When you change your perception, the whole song changes for you. This proves that we have been listening to these songs, but we have not been listening to these songs. Just like our food, our bath, our cities, we are just gliding through life, not really living through it. I felt something very similar, but of course, now I want to tell you that not just this, but when you try it, there are only few songs that you absolutely love, which you can hear on loop. When you go deeper into some of those songs, they are like a mirror to your real personality. They tell you something about your own self. Why did you end up liking Chaiya Chaiya more than your friend, right? It tells something about you, right? And it's a journey within. And how to go into that journey is what this conversation is all about. I'll go on to the next. What's a journey within you? Why do we need that? You know, मेरी तो placement हो जाए और मैं चला जाऊँ आराम से. That's all we want. खाना हो जाए, पीना हो जाए. Right? Why do you need to journey within you? That paradigm shifted for me 18 years back. I was 11 years old in a remote place so far away from here. Within UP there's a place called Lucknow, then there is Shahjahanpur, then within Shahjahanpur there's Hardoi, then there is Sitapur. It's absolutely remote place 18 years back. And I was there to attend a wedding. I spent 3 days there in that wedding and formed friendship with one of the brothers. So there were 4 brothers, third one was getting married. I was now friends with the 4th one. He was this 22-year-old dashing young man doing mass comm in Dehradun, cool, perfumes, a CD with all the trendy songs. On the day of the wedding, which was the Valentine's Day, 14th of February, in a celebratory gunfire, this brother got killed. Right in front of my eyes. Suddenly, a home that was supposed to be a wedding home full of celebrations got suddenly transitioned into a funeral house where you could hear 50 or 100 women wailing and filling the air and the environment. And for an 11-year-old, that uncontained environment was just too much to handle. You were holding that guy and, having a bike ride with him, and suddenly here he lies, lifeless, almost like he's sleeping. Why isn't he waking up? I almost broke down when I wanted to steal that 1,000 songs wala CD from him. Then while I was leaving, I went past through that CD player and saw that the last playing song was still his favorite Himesh Reshammiya song called Tat Tanana Tandoori Nights. And I picked up that CD and almost broke down because in front of me there was someone and now he's not there. It changed me in a way that I started to realize that there is a death which is inevitable for everyone and we seem to ignore it, especially at the age of 11. Suddenly, when you put death in perspective of life, life starts to ask you a lot of questions. What is the meaning of it? All that marks, Hindi mein 50 out of 50 lana hai, kyun lana hai? Abhi, what if I am that person, at 22 and a half, I am supposed to die? It added a lot of meaning to my life. The metamorphosis, the introspection. There was this new head on the right side of me that kept on looking at me while I was doing stuff. And kept on analyzing the data and saying, what's the point of it, but why? And hence began my journey towards introspection. But there were several other instances where I started to doubt myself. For example, a very small story, but hit me really hard. I was passing through in front of a hospital in a Delhi morning, winter morning. A person painted in black came, dressed as Kali Ma ka avatar. And he started to worship me. And he says, whatever money that you have, if you hand it over to me right now, I'll complete my worship, give it back to you. But post this worship, whatever you want in life, you will get it. I was obviously in my drop year. I wanted to score, I want to get into an IIT, right? So, I don't know, I just didn't think much. I gave him the note. He started to do whatever he wanted to do. He started to fold it up. 1 fold, 2 fold, 3 fold, 4 fold. After 8 fold, he put it inside his mouth and gave me a coin. And said, जा, तेरा भला होगा. मैंने कहा, अरे भाई मैं घर वापस कैसे जाऊँगा? ये भला नहीं चाहिए मुझे. So the first thing that I did was threw the coin away. And I didn't give the mock. I just turned the page and started writing, why did I do this? Do I even know who I am? Anyone will come and fool me? Do I know my influences? What am I made up of? My introspecting brain was at works. Then when I went for IIT JEE coaching, everyone asked me, what's your dream rank? I said, AIR 1, of course. I was told among the 400 students that I was part of that I am the God-gifted academic, brilliance. Then I realized there are 4 lakh of such 400. I'm no special. So then I realized not just me, my teachers, my parents, they also don't know. Everyone is just guessing what life is, what is this drama all about. Then a heartbreak happened. Now when a heartbreak happens, now this is where the difference is. If you get your heart broken, then suddenly you need to go back to your galibs. Then you want to know, रंजिश ही सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए आप फिर से मुझे छोड़ के जाने के लिए. Once you have your heart broken, then you need these lines for sure. When you lose your loved one, ना, उसके बाद लुक्का छिपी सुन के कुछ feel होता है, right? Then you need the poetries. It's not going to build bridges for you. It came into my life, everything just focused on one emotion, which was this heartbreak. And I was almost paralyzed for 4 months. And then there was a scene in Ranjana movie. Have you seen Ranjana? So there's a scene in Ranjana movie, he's sitting by the ghat and the person tells him, what are you doing here? You will not get any kind of moksha or mukti sitting here. Just do something. Just go and do something. I moved up. I went to this thing called Vipassana. It's a 10-day meditation course that I joined, wherein you sit with your body for more than 10 hours a day, cross-legged, don't speak, and watch the sensations on your body. But something very interesting happened at the night of Vipassana, which was, there's a lecture at the end of the day. In the lecture, they said, he started to tell how different religions say the same stuff. He said, Kabir said, Gungat ke pat khol tohe piya milenge. And I was almost perplexed. I've heard this line before. And then I realized it's part of the line called Piya Milenge, which is the song from Ranjana, a song that brought me to this point. And I realized my cinema has so much depth, but I have almost missed it. I realized that, it's the cinema that has been shaping me for all this while. For example, when a girl said no to me for the first time, I didn't budge. I wanted to go back and try because so will a Shah Rukh Khan do, right? So will a Kundan do in a Ranjana. The cinema was shaping me spiritually as a stalker, so to say, as the action sequences, the punches that I will throw were coming from the movies. I also tried that flower pot thing in the Ae Dil Hai Mushkil sequence. learned from the movies, directly and indirectly, right? But then I realized it was someone else's interpretation of life that I'm adopting. I've become them. I have to understand what are these songs that I like and start to de-influence myself. And now I had the tool of Vipassana, right? Hence began my journey of decoding. So initial songs were very simple. I'll just hold on to the guitar and start this. So level 1 was very simple. I have this works here. Level 1 was just understand the lyrics of the song. You guys might not have heard it. It's not that popular, but a song is called Gulon mein rang bhare. Gulon mein rang bhare, baatein na bahar chale. Chale bhi aao ke gulshan ka karobar chale. In my heartbreak, I was thinking of the same lines. कि काम रुक गया यार सारा. So चले भी आओ. But then I wanted to know what is the meaning of this song. So there is a line in it. कफस उदास है यारों सबा से कुछ तो कहो. कफस उदास है यारों सबा से कुछ तो कहो. मतलब ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा. कफस का मतलब है केज और सबा का मतलब है मॉर्निंग. कहीं तो बहरे खुदा आज जिक्र यार चले. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. तो पहले लेवल 1 लिरिकली समझा इसको. लेवल 2 देन आई वेंट टू द बैक स्टोरी ऑफ इट, व्हिच वाज this song was actually written by a poet called Faiz Ahmed Faiz when he was kept in the jail of Pakistan. He was the one who fought for Pakistan, but now he's in the jail. Kafas here is actually Pakistan. कफस उदास है यारों सबा से कुछ तो कहो, कहीं तो बहरे खुदा आज जिक्र यार चले. ये जो यार हैं, these are the citizens of Pakistan. How about, so when they went there, the rulers were all corrupt capitalists. So he was so distraught, and Jinnah had died. So he said कि कहीं तो हमारी भी बात हो, या हम यारों का भी जिक्र हो. And the song completely changed for me. I was thinking ये मुझे ब्रेकअप से निकालेगा, ये तो मुझे जोग्राफी में लेके चला गया, हिस्ट्री में लेके चला गया, right? And then another thing I was discussing here with someone, it's the melody that caught me when he says कफस उदास है. So when he says उदास है, I felt उदास. This is the third level of decoding, wherein you try and discover, यार उसने उदास बोला तो मुझे उदास क्यों फील हुआ, right? What is it? It's almost like looking at a painting, abstract painting, and trying to derive your own meanings out of it. So yeah, I'm going to rush slightly. Similarly, so I did similar explorations with Ik Kudi. Ik Kudi was a song which is written, Ik Kudi jida naam mohabbat gum hai. There's a girl who's lost, but it's also your innocence. It was said in a context of Punjab, that the innocence of the youth, the valor, the courage of the youth is lost because there's so much drugs in there, right? So एक कुड़ी बन जाती है मोहब्बत, या एक कुड़ी बन जाती है वो innocence. एक बगल, for example, then I merged it with my own story. So when I was leaving my job, there's a song called एक बगल में चांद होगा, एक बगल में रोटियां, एक बगल में नींद होगी, एक बगल में लोरियां, हम चांद पे. एक बगल में चांद होगा, एक बगल में रोटी, एक जगह ड्रीम्स होंगे, एक तरीके से कंपल्जन होगा. रोटी चांद जैसी तो दिखती है, इट्स अ कंपल्जन, मुझे कमाना भी तो पड़ेगा. एक तरफ नींद होगी, कंफर्टेबल बेड होगा, एक तरफ लोरियाँ होंगी, ललाबाइज होंगी. ललाबाइज क्या करती हैं? दे गिव यू अ सेंस ऑफ सेफ्टी कि कोई है, मैं सो सकता हूँ. बट अपने घर वालों से हम दूर रहते हैं. वी स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द फैमिलीज बिकॉज हमें कमाना है. द डाइकोटमी ऑफ इट, राइट, गॉट मी थ्रू दिस सॉन्ग. सो लॉट ऑफ माई ओन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट स्टार्ट्स टू कम अप and start to solve it for myself, right? And then the melody part I was saying, right? Have you heard the song called O Rangrez? O Rangrez tere. And then he says दरिया. तो here वो कैसे सुनाई देता है? रंग दरिया में, felt like दरिया. And then वो डूबता है. डूबना है बस तेरा बनके, नहीं रहना दूजा बनके. Each word, each melody is going so well together, and when you understand and decode it, you understand why did you like that song in first place and what it made you. Now, as and when there's been 3 years of decoding such songs, trying to understand, going to the depths of it, what I've realized is that as I de-influence myself, I become this empty glass. The purpose, I don't feel there is an inherent purpose to life. It can be anything for anyone. But I feel like it's a huge fest, mela hai. But if you want to enjoy all the swings and enjoy it really hard with 100% commitment, you've got to get rid of your fear. But fear आया है किसी नानी माँ की ghost story से, right? We have to get rid of that. So these songs are those नानी माँ का ghost stories that one has to get rid to enjoy those melee, enjoy those fests, and be 100% in there. And then, for once, some magic will happen through you. So something happened in my case on 22nd of January, 2:22 a.m. in the night. I uploaded a video called Decoding Kun Faya Kun. I was almost about to leave the YouTube thing and go back to my job, go for the next switch, be a product manager somewhere. And then, I don't know, because it was done with such a pure intent, 5 days later it got viral, to an extent that none of my videos have ever gotten viral, till this point. And then, yeah, I mean, the magic happened on that date with that virality, and suddenly now I'm here. I try to keep my glass empty, and I wish the same for you. So such magic also happens through you. And I leave you with the most cherished lines that I have, that again transports me to some other world, from Kun Faya Kun. And if you like it, you guys can sing it with me. रंग रेज़ा रंग मेरा तन मेरा मन, ले ले रंगाई चाहे तन चाहे मन। रंग रेज़ा रंग मेरा तन मेरा मन, ले ले रंगाई चाहे तन चाहे मन। सजरा सवेरा तेरे तन बरसे, सजरा गजरा मेरे गले लो। ओ सजरा सवेरा मेरे तन बरसे, गजरा तेरा तेरी जलती लो। कतरा मिला जो तेरे अंबर से, ओ मौला मौला। कुन फाया कुन, कुन फाया कुन, कुन फाया कुन, कुन फाया कुन। God said, be kun, ho ja, and faya kun, ho gaya. Just in my case, God said, ho ja, kuch to ho gaya. Thank you so much for giving me your time.